morning, students. Students, as you know, we are talking about different type of industries. You must have seen by now that which company is manufacturing your soap which you use daily, or the shampoo you use. Maybe the company which has manufactured your television, it may be LG or Samsung or Sony, the mobiles used by your parents, or maybe the other gadgets like your washing machine or your micro oven or the mixer grinders. They are all manufactured, or your AC, air conditioner or air cooler. So these are different type of products. There are innumerable products in our country which are manufactured by different industries. You must have heard about Amul industry, but they make different type of products. They make butter also, they make your ice creams, they pasteurize the milk, then they supply the milk packets. So there are big industries, there are small industries, there are cottage industries. If you look at this picture, and if I ask you which type of industry do you think it is, you will immediately say it is a large scale industry. It is actually an oil refinery where the crude oil, the petrol which we get under the sea water or ground, they are not refined, they are mix of many things, stones, rocks and all these things. So they have to be refined. This is done in the refineries, okay? Oil refinery. Your Reliance is also an oil refinery company. Then we have other like Bharat Petroleum or IOC, Indian Oil Corporation. So they are different type of company. Some companies they manufacture your household items, some they produce cement, some they make the furniture or your cars, automobile industries, electronic goods, various electronic goods. Then you have garment, means cotton, textile mills are there where cotton is woven or spin. Then you have those woolen industry, the sweaters you wear, they are also made, sweaters and shawls and other woolen products, they are made in some industry. So children, there are innumerable industries. Even the shipbuilding industry, ships are also made, aeroplanes are made, railway coaches, railway engines, all are manufactured. These are large scale industry. If you see another picture, this is your iron and steel industry. You can see big rim of steel. You must have seen in trucks, they are dispatched from the factory to the different places. So these are some examples of large scale industries. Children, large scale industry, they employ thousands of people, many, maybe some big companies, they have 5,000 workers, 10,000 workers, they have different branches, because in one place they cannot, if you go to Ankleshwar, if you go to Dahej, you see different industries in your locality only. The thousands of workers where goods are produced with the help of big machines. As I told you, big machines are there which produces different type of goods. Maybe not only one product, different type of products are produced in same factory. Then highly trained workers. Workers are trained, so you have those engineering degrees and other scientific degrees what skills you need. Even people are given training in the companies how to operate these machines. Needed and local. They are located in or near big cities. Now, big industries, you will see they are located in the big city or near the big cities, very big, because they need raw materials, they need power supply, they need people to come over. So many thousands of people are working, they have to come to their factories every day. So big cities are in and around are developed, or people they live in these big cities and they go for their job to those areas, maybe they are not far off. Even the raw materials have to be brought and the finished products have to be sold. So for that, good roads are needed, transportation is very, very important, communication facilities should be there. So all these things are needed for them setting up a large scale industry. Now, large scale industries, mainly your iron and steel industries, then you have cement, automobile, electronics, goods, you have shipbuilding, railway coaches, so many innumerable industries. Children, some of them are mentioned in your textbook itself. The places where they are located, like cotton, textile industries, you will find in Mumbai, Ahmedabad. Then you have silk textile, where silk is made. You have Bangalore, Kanchipuram, Murshidabad, Bhagalpur. Then you have woolen in textile industry. It's mainly naturally raw material is available in those cold places. So you have in Srinagar, Ludhiana, Amritsar, Panipat. Iron and steel industry, as you know, iron is available in mainly in Jharkhand, Bihar, Chhattisgarh. So you get it in Jamshedpur, Rourkela, Bhilai, Salem. Jute mill, naturally jute is available in West Bengal and Assam. So you have in Risha, Gaya, Guntur, Kanpur. Sugar mill in Ahmednagar, Meerut, Coimbatore, Belagavi. Then you have railway equipments. Chittaranjan, they make the locomotives, and Kapurthala. Then you have Varanasi. Then you have Perambur. Then automobile industries where they make those cars or two-wheelers. Gurugram, Jamshedpur, Pune, Chennai. Electronic goods. Bengaluru, Panchkula, Mumbai, Chennai. Shipbuilding, Visakhapatnam, Kochi, Marmagaon and Mumbai. And then you have the aircraft industry, Bangalore, Nasik, Hyderabad and Korapur. So these are only few, children. There are numbers of industries all over India, different type of large scale industries which you must have seen in and around you. So this is all about industries. Please read the chapter thoroughly, and then we will do the exercises in the assignment and in the live classes. Thank you, children.